there anything else you want to discuss or comment about in regards to this research, about the researchers, how this is a problem, how this can help people? Anything else to let people know in regards to this that could help them out?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's really important for people to understand when you have a car accident, we have seen over and over and over again that low speed car accidents, and I know you've seen this too, Kevin, or Dr. Leach, I know you've seen this too, that low speed car accidents can cause trauma just as much as high speed. Obviously, high speed accidents are going to, sprain and tear loose connective tissue, but we see this in low speed, 10 miles an hour and under. It's traumatic to the brain and the neck. And this imaging and some of the other ones that we talked about, digital motion X-ray, can show that. So if you've had a car accident, it's important that you get your neck checked, because if you don't, 10 years down the road, and I don't know about you, but I see this often. Yeah, I had a car accident. Wasn't too bad. Oh yeah, how long ago? 10 years ago. Okay. What happened? Oh, the car rolled over. No big deal.
Yeah.
I see it all the time, right?
Yeah.
That matters. The type of accident matters. The direction your head was turned. If your head is turned in a whiplash accident, your head and neck are not meant to do this. If you do this in a car accident, you are, I don't know the percentages, but it is more likely that you are going to have trauma to the ligaments, the tendons, the muscles. So it's very important that when you get into a car accident, if you have a head and neck trauma injury, in sports, whatever, go get imaging, go see an upper cervical chiropractor, see someone to investigate and get you back on track, because you may not even know it, but there might be an underlying problem that 10 years from now is going to develop into something much worse. And it's important to take care of that when you can.
I agree. And I think another point to emphasize is that many people, after an accident, number one, they might just shrug it off. Maybe they're a tough guy and, oh, I'm not going to go get imaging. And they end up being okay in the sense of they didn't have a brain bleed or anything severe that killed them. But some people do go get checked out by the medical profession. They'll do an MRI, they'll do CT, whatever's indicated. They won't find a brain bleed. They won't find anything seriously life-threatening, so they get released. And we're very thankful for them to do that. However, if they have more of a mild injury that could still create issues and problems and health issues then and for the rest of their life, that's when they need to be checked out by an upper cervical chiropractor or someone who knows about this, who understands concussion, post-concussion protocol, and to find answers when these symptoms don't go away after the general 7 to 14 day, concussion period. There's plenty of more to do. So anybody listening, if you went to get checked by the hospital, by the urgent care, and you checked out and you're still having problems long after, this is something you definitely need to investigate. This is going to be on my YouTube channel, on Dr. Evans's YouTube channel. Throw a comment down. Let us know where you are. We'll try to find you somebody if you can't find anybody. But there's a pathway of care that needs to be taken in order for you to get the corrective care that you need in order to heal from these injuries. And like Dr. Evans just said, these low speed accidents can really cause damage for a lot of people. And people might say, oh, there's no damage to the car, so how can there be damage to the patient? Well, there's absolutely damage, and there's plenty of research that has shown that. So definitely reach out and get some answers if you need it. And if you're a medical provider or some other provider and you want to find a chiropractor that deals with the upper neck, the upper cervical spine like we do, by all means leave a comment, get in touch with us. Our contact information will be below and available for those on YouTube. For the podcast, we'll try to make that available as well. Hi there, I'm Dr. Kevin Leach here with the Chiropractic Deep Dive Podcast, bringing you the most important research and information on conservative primary spine care, upper cervical chiropractic care, and traditional chiropractic care. I'm really trying to bring value with these, so I'd appreciate commenting on the videos, hitting the like button, and sharing them with as many people as you can. You never know who might need to see it. And consider subscribing to the channel so you can see all the other episodes and videos coming out. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate your support.